Hey guys, आज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ because I am going to introduce to you the MG Comet EV Gaming Edition, a car that is specially designed for the gaming community. जब MG ने मुझे approach किया था for this collaboration, I knew it was gonna be something special. As you guys know, I am a gamer at heart who is recognized for his gaming skills, but after all, I do love cars. At first, I was shocked that MG called me to design the new car Comet EV, and they wanted it to be around gaming. I said yes without a second thought. So I visited the MG plant to know more about the product and saw the production process. I was amazed to see how much effort and care they put into making every car. As a gamer, I know how important it is to have a good gaming experience, and that's what we wanted to bring to the MG Comet EV. I gave inputs from a design perspective and we were able to create something that's truly inspiring. We wanted to give the design a personalized touch of a gaming setup so that every gamer can feel at home. We got everything here: the console, the seats, the steering wheel, and also as a gamer I know what attracts us the most: the neon lighting, and that was the one thing I surely wanted them to put as a design element. Let me tell you, when you're driving the MG Comet EV Gaming Edition, you're in for a treat. It's amazing to see a brand that understands the gaming vibe and wants to create something that truly speaks to the gaming community. The Comet EV was already special, but letting me design something for the gaming community makes it all the more so. It's a moment of pride for me and the whole gaming community. If you're a gamer like me who understands the gaming vibe, or if you're just looking for a car that will give you that next level driving experience, then you gotta check out the MG Comet EV Gaming Edition. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.